Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G22 and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, let's open our browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, and now we have to tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of all previously visited websites. So in my case, I've got only 3 of them. So of course, I can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to particular website. But if in your case this list is so wide, then I highly recommend to simply enter clear browsing data option. And as you can see here, we've got some basic and advanced sections. So in basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So I will mark everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks. So if you are ready, just tap on clear data. And as you can see, right now the history is empty, which means that we just successfully removed actually everything. So starting from the list of visited websites and ending on, for example, saved passwords. So actually this is it. This is how to clear the browser in your MOTOROLA Moto G22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.